This is my wallet, and today I'm inviting all of you to take a look inside to see which credit cards I'm using and why I'm using them. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and all of your rewards in one place, and to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit any amount. Now this version of what's in my wallet is actually a little bit unique because not only do I have every single card slot filled here, but I actually have some overflow into the bill pocket for another card. And you're about to learn why I'm carrying so many cards right now. So let's begin with the first one, which is the Capital One Venture X. At the moment, the welcome offer as of April 2022 is to earn 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. And the ongoing rewards rates are phenomenal provided you're okay with booking through a portal. So you'll earn 10 miles per dollar on hotels booked through the Capital One travel portal, 10 miles per dollar on rental cars booked through the same portal, and 5 miles per dollar on flights, also through Capital One's portal. Then 2 miles per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is $395, and the reasons why it's in my wallet are because of the Capital One lounge access, to pay my health insurance, and for non-bonus spend. So obviously the Capital One lounge network is very, very new. It's only got one lounge open in its network right now. There are some more coming in the pipeline, of course. Every lounge network is built out gradually over time, but the one that's open right now is in DFW, and I will be flying to and through that airport several times this year, so having access to that lounge will be very important for me as I really take advantage of that to, of course, get some free Wi-Fi, food, monitor my flights from a very comfortable seating arrangement, get some drinks and more. Then regarding paying my health insurance and the non-bonus spend, those do kind of overlap because healthcare insurance premiums are part of non-bonus spend. What I'm referring to there is anything that does not fall into a regular defined category that earns more than, for example, 3, 4, 5 miles per dollar. So whether that's department stores or my healthcare insurance or online shopping or gym memberships, anything like that that would not normally have a bonus category on a regular credit card. Some business cards do have things like that. I'm currently using the Capital One Venture X to earn miles at a 2 mile per dollar rate because I am going on a big trip coming up very shortly here. And for me, I like to use a lot of those Capital One Venture miles to offset a lot of those purchases. So that's it for the Venture X card. Here's a nice up close view for you all in case you wanted to see it more personally. Now let's move on to card number 2, which is the Ritz Carlton credit card. And we'll actually begin this segment with the up close view right there for you all. So hope you enjoyed that. Sadly, there is no welcome offer on this card because it is a discontinued product to new applicants. However, it is available via product change if you get the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card or Marriott Bonvoy Bold card, both from Chase. Then you keep those cards for at least a full year, and then you can product change to the Ritz Carlton credit card simply by calling Chase. For the reward structure, you get 6 points per dollar at Marriott, triple points on airline, car rentals, and dining purchases, and then double points per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is $450, and the reason why it's in my wallet is actually twofold. Right now, I've got a limited time spend offer that was targeted via email. It had several different categories, but the one that I'm using is to earn 10 points per dollar at Marriott properties, and that's valid from April 1st all the way through June 30th, so all of quarter 2. And I also can spend up to $1,500 at that 10x rate. I also have a $300 travel credit that I'll be using for air incidental fees. So throughout the span of quarter 2 of this year, I probably have at least 4 stays with Marriott, maybe up to 6 stays total. And so earning 10 points per dollar on all of those paid stays will be incredible to rack up a lot of points, which I can then redeem for future free nights on additional stays in quarter 3, quarter 4, and beyond. And then that $300 travel credit is extremely useful to me right now as well, as I do have some incidental charges on some flights that I know I'll have to pay for. I've already done one, which was a massive overweight baggage fee on Frontier Airlines. No matter if you have the Frontier credit card or any level of elite status in their program, or really any elite status in any airline, if I'm not incorrect here, I don't think any program waives overweight bag fees. Correct me if I'm wrong, Frontier for sure does not. So here's a little screenshot of my recent charge there is for $100 for one overweight bag. But hey, nonetheless, I've got $300 of total credit to use, and so that $100 charge was completely wiped out by JP Morgan, which is kind of cool because I don't really mind it if the banks help me cover some of my costs. Although I did pay that $450 annual fee up front, so I guess you can see I already prepaid for something I was going to pay for anyway. Also, that 10 point per dollar promo is working extremely well. You can see a couple of my transactions there already from the Courtyard Marriott for $96.49 and another one by another Courtyard for $153.68. The next screenshot there in the middle shows the bonus points calculated. So for that first charge of $96.49, I earned $964.90. And then for the second charge of $153.68, I earned 1,536.8 points. It's very safe to say that I'm really enjoying this promo. Quick pause. If you're anything like me, you probably have a little bit of a fat wallet due to having multiple credit cards with multiple rewards programs that you've got to keep track of. And a great way to do that and remove a lot of the headache from your life is to check out the app MAXREWARDS. It's a fantastic all-in-one app that's extremely easy to use to help you manage all of your credit card accounts and their rewards programs, plus monitoring your credit scores, utilization, and a whole lot more. It also shows you all the purchases you made across all of your cards in one dashboard and helps you identify the best card to use for this specific rewards category. And the gold level unlocks even more features like activating your quarterly spend categories, your Amex and Chase offers, and a whole lot more, so definitely check that out as well. So if you want to make managing your credit cards a whole lot easier, definitely check out the link down below in the description area. That gold level will be unlocked for free for your entire first month. Beyond that, you can choose if you want to pay for it going forward. Otherwise, use all the free features, and those work very well too. Card number 3, let's see. I've got the World of Hyatt credit card, plus an even better upfront personalized view for you all. The current welcome offer on this card is to earn 60,000 World of Hyatt points and is broken into 2 separate tiers. You can earn the first 30,000 points after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months, and then earn up to 30,000 more points, and it's broken down as follows. That's double points per $1 spent for the first 6 months on up to $1,500 of total spend. Then for the rewards, the card issues points in the following categories: 4 points per dollar at Hyatt, and then double in a ton of different categories here, including restaurants, airline tickets purchased directly from airlines, local transit and commuting, and fitness club and gym memberships. Then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is $95, and the reason why it's in my wallet is again due to a limited time spend offer that covered a variety of different categories, but the one, or rather 2, that I'm really focusing on and utilizing most is 5 points per dollar at gas stations and 5x at grocery stores. Both are valid through April 1st through June 30th on up to $1,500 of total spend. I personally value World of Hyatt points at around 1.5 cents per point, so that's roughly a 7.5% return in the form of one of the most valuable hotel currencies on both gas and groceries, which is totally awesome. I currently have a little over 13,000 points in my World of Hyatt account, and of course I'd like to bump that even higher through using this promotion. And that's because the Category 4 standard redemption rates begin at 15,000 points and go as high as 18,000 points. And who knows, maybe I can even get myself up to a Category 5 standard redemption, which would be 20,000 points. And a higher category typically means a nicer hotel, usually in a better location as well. So the more points I can earn, the better quality of stay that I'll be able to have, ideally at no to minimal cost. This promotion is also working extremely well for me, so I've got a couple transactions there from Trader Joe's and Smith's Food Supermarket. You can see the first one there from Trader Joe's. I earned 82 points from a $16 purchase, rounding off my figures here. And then I earned 274 points for my $54 purchase here. So that 5x multiplier is really, really valuable to rack up these World of Hyatt points. On to card number 4, which is the Schwab Platinum card from American Express, which has a very nice metallic shine to it, and of course, a nice metal construction. The April 22 welcome offer is 100,000 points, which you can earn after spending $6,000 on purchases in the first 6 months. The card earns 5 points per dollar on flights when booked directly with with the airlines and also through Amex's travel portal, and it's valid on the first $500,000 of spend per calendar year. And I don't anticipate spending that much on airfare this year. It also awards 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels when booked through the Amex travel portal, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is $695, and it's in my wallet due to the 5 point per dollar multiplier on flights, as I do have a number of travels coming up, and also access to the Centurion Lounge, which I really do value. Next up, we'll do this one upside down. We've got the American Express, I think, Business Gold Card, another nice shiny metal card. So let's talk a little bit about it and why I've got this one. The standard welcome offer for April is to earn 70,000 points, and you may see some higher targeted offers floating around. You can earn this after spending $10,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. And what makes this card very unique and highly valuable to a lot of people is the flexible rewards categories. It awards 4 points per dollar on your top 2 spend categories from a predefined list. It's valid on up to $150K spend in these combined purchases each calendar year, then 1x beyond that until it resets the following year. So the eligible categories include airfare, advertising, technology providers of computer hardware, software, and cloud solutions, gas stations, restaurants, and shipping, all of which are in the US. The annual fee is $295, and why it's in my wallet is A, because of the welcome offer. I did receive a targeted $90K offer via email. Number 2, to pay taxes, and number 3, for tech purchases. And yes, I already had a Business Gold Rewards card. In fact, I've had several over a number of years, and I was able to get the bonus on each one of those. So the way that worked is because when I looked at the offer details of the offer terms before applying, there was no lifetime language, which normally would say that the card or the bonus is not available to people who have or have had the card. None of that language was within the terms, so I was confident that if I submitted the application per those terms, that should not be held against me. And that should also mean another welcome offer on top of that. For card number 6, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which I just got approved for, by the way. Here's your up close view of that one right here. Very happy to have this one again. It was a long wait to be able to be under 524 and all of Chase's other rules as well. So let's talk a little bit more about this one. The main reason why I got it via a new application for the second time was to earn, of course, this 80,000 point offer, which is a very elevated offer compared to the standard of 60,000 points. So as I record this video toward the end of April 2022, this 80K offer is still available. You can earn it after spending 4K on purchases in the first 3 months. The ongoing reward structure breaks down like this: 5 points per dollar on travel via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, triple points on dining, online grocery, and select streaming services, double points on other travel that is outside of Chase's portal, and 1x on all other purchases. The annual fee is $95, and the reason why it's in my wallet is, of course, to spend toward that welcome offer requirement. And finally, the mystery card here in the very top part, card number 7, which I couldn't even fit in my other slots here. But I'm also carrying the Discover It cashback credit card due to the very valuable 5% categories really throughout the entire year, but Q2 specifically. The regular welcome offer opportunity on this card is what Discover calls the cashback match. Discover will match all the cash back you earned at the end of year 1. So if you earned $200 of cash back through your spend in the categories, then Discover will end up giving you $400. It's also got an extremely useful rewards category due to the 5% quarterly categories. Right now in Q2, you're earning 5% on gas stations and Target on up to $1,500 in combined spend. Then 1% on all other purchases. There's no annual fee that you have to worry about, and the reason why it's in my wallet is due to the 5% category on Target this quarter. You probably noticed that I have moved, and therefore I have a new kitchen behind me. If you saw my old kitchen on all my previous videos for the past year, this is now my new kitchen going forward, and I'm also building out a brand new YouTube studio that's in a separate room over there. Until that's all built out, tested, and ready to go, I'll probably have to use my kitchen or some other hotels on my trips or something like that as temporary situation. And I'm already extremely excited for this because it'll be great to have a dedicated studio setup that'll be massively efficient for me. And I think you'll also like to see the new backdrop and studio setup overall once it's fully done. And I also may phase it in over time. So version 1, then version 1.5, then 2.0 and stuff like that too. So my dream studio won't be on day 1, but over the months and years to come, it'll get better and better. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and all of your rewards in one place, and to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit any amount. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.